Hello, excuse me. Call is Kalabo, sorry. Hello. Gbẹ̀rù wẹ̀ wá jẹ́. Mi à ń wẹ̀. Wọ́n jẹ́. Ìmẹ̀ wá wẹ̀ mú wẹ̀. Wẹ̀ ga ìpèkè bí ari wẹ̀ yìí kẹ́nà ayé asálọ̀. Èyí àwẹ̀ mú màwẹ̀ wá sálọ̀ mú wá o. Bra. Mi ọ̀gbẹ́ni kí mi kí la wẹ̀ love this girl. Iná wẹ̀ ẹ̀ náà paná de pé kàmá mi wẹ̀ love this girl. Iná wẹ̀ jí wà love you wẹ̀. Wọ́n wà láwùjọ ní wà kí n wẹ̀ wẹ̀ láwùjọ.
This is the reason why you stop me.
The reason they stop you when they stop.
Next time, don't try that nonsense again. Did you hear me? Next time, don't try it again.
My rubbish you now.
What is your problem now? Why are you disturbing me for God's sake?
Where God sake you disturb when no now. Sister,
Don't touch me.
I try me. Go for it,
You need one of these.
I need more. You need power.
Not the real.
Hey! What? Oh, I need money. Why have you make a problem? Oh boy, I love this girl. All time, whether she like it or not, I will carry this girl.
Why?